What did he have?
Not a face, anyways.
Oh.
Don't sit still. Don't sit still.
Why?
It's an opera. If you sit still, he just gets an easy shot on you.
I don't
Now
know
he's
what that
dead.
means. Don't sit still.
Now you know what that means?
No.
Why is everyone lining up for that dude? And slowly back away.
Not my problem.
Ooh, all my friends are...
Yep. No. It's fine.
Great jump.
Please drop me bomb.
No.
Average Muslim kid. Yeah, just sit here. Look at your legs.
Tie my shoelace. That didn't help me at all. You're not gonna, I don't think they're gonna. Never mind. What?
Dan.
I beg your pardon.
Let me just shoot around his head.
Listen.
God forbid he gets hurt.
Shut up. All right, we're in this situation again.
Just look down there and don't shoot around his head.
What if he gets hurt? Come on up. All right.
There you go. Just run fast, just run fast.
Fuck. Where's the bomb? Oh,
They're
it's
below you. So you need to do a big brain play. What you need to do is you need to go on the other side through the big doors. No.
what do I
You
do
need
here?
to go from the big doors. Remember the big doors in the middle?
The big doors.
But now you can't. Now you can't remember. You have no brain.
Noob, good thing. I found the big doors.
They lead to heaven.
The fucking hell. Oh, session's no longer available. We're eating food.
Aw.
God damn. You have that in Pakistan?
Sometimes, if you're lucky.
If you suck enough dick, anything is possible.
That was the food.
I'm eating
You
for it
can-
now.